Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best screen cleaner is probably one of the most essential gadgets for anyone who owns a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, as it helps maintain the pristine condition of your device's display, ensuring a clear and smudge-free viewing experience. In today's digital age, our screens are constantly exposed to fingerprints, dust, and grime, which can not only be unsightly but can also affect the touch sensitivity and overall usability of our devices, making a reliable screen cleaner an indispensable tool for everyday maintenance and longevity. Number 5. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Tired of streaks and smudges ruining your view? Our advanced formula leaves screens looking brand new with crystal clear clarity. It works efficiently, requiring no second passes and leaving no residue behind. Protect your delicate screens with our scratch-free microfiber cloth. It glides smoothly, ensuring no scratches or abrasions. It's gentle enough for frequent use on all your devices. Our cleaner is completely free from alcohol and ammonia, making it safe for all your electronics. Use it confidently on TVs, computers, and tablets. Get hundreds of sprays from a single 16-ounce bottle, offering economical, long-term use. This means fewer purchases and more savings for your household or workplace. This versatile cleaner works on a wide range of screens, including HD TVs, laptops, smartphones, and car displays. It safely tackles fingerprints, dust, and smudges without damage. What we like. This cleaner boasts a streak-free formula for crystal clear screens and includes a scratch-free microfiber cloth. It's alcohol and ammonia-free, making it safe for all screen types. If you have a variety of screens in your home or a high-traffic area with many devices, this large bottle offers long-lasting value and economical use. What people say. Zero streaks, deadass, spray a couple times, wipe with the cloth, and your screen looks brand new. No smudges, no haze, works perfect on my LG OLED in the living room, MacBook, iPhone, even the monitors at work. The microfiber cloth is actually good, soft, no lint, no scratches, and it's big enough for the big TV. Comes right in the box, no extra hassle. It removes fingerprints, dust, and smudges effortlessly without leaving any streaks behind. My screens look crystal clear after every use. I also love that it doesn't leave any residue and dries quickly. Number 4. Altura Photo Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe Kit. Keep your screens looking pristine with our advanced cleaning solution. It's designed to be tough on smudges but gentle on all your electronic surfaces. Our formula is alcohol-free and ammonia-free, ensuring it's safe for all types of screens. This includes LCD, LED, OLED, and even car displays. Cleaning is simple, just spray the solution onto the microfiber cloth and wipe. Achieve a brilliant shine on your laptop, computer, or TV in no time. This kit comes with 2 high-quality microfiber cloths. They are perfect for achieving a streak-free finish and are reusable for long-term use. Experience a crystal clear view without any scratches or streaks. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the clarity of your valuable electronics. What we like. This kit is alcohol-free, ammonia-free, and odor-free, ensuring a safe cleaning experience. It comes with 2 high-quality microfiber cloths, one of which is extra large. If you're looking for a convenient and effective cleaning solution for on-the-go or for maintaining multiple devices with the included cloths, this is a great choice. What people say. Cleaned my TV, iPhone and iPad great. Left no streaks and it came with 2 cleaning clothes, one small and one big, for TVs, great buy. Effortless clean for tough fingerprints. Doesn't even compare to traditional window cleaner. It does a great job on pretty much anything that has a screen or glass. We used it on our TV first, which cleaned perfectly first sort down. I then used it on my glasses and it cleaned them better than the cleaning wipes that a famous lens maker has. Number 3. Click Clean Touchscreen Mist Cleaner, Gray. Introducing the Click Clean Touchscreen Mist Cleaner, your all-in-one solution for sparkling clean screens. It's designed for all your devices, from phones to laptops. Experience incredibly effective cleaning that effortlessly removes dust and grease. It leaves your screen spotless, without any streaks, residue, or static. This device features a convenient built-in phone stand. It supports all smartphones and offers a comfortable viewing angle for hands-free use. Enjoy a larger, softer microfiber cloth that's safe for any screen. It's designed to be washed and reused, making it an eco-friendly choice. Our cleaner is non-toxic and safe for everyone. It contains no alcohol or ammonia, making it safe for use around children and pets. Use it on a variety of electronic screens, including cell phones, tablets, laptops, and televisions. It's the perfect cleaner for all your gadgets. What we like. This cleaner features an all-in-one design with a built-in phone stand and a non-toxic formula. The microfiber cloth has an increased surface area for effective cleaning. If you frequently watch videos or video call on your phone or tablet and want a cleaner that doubles as a convenient stand, this product is ideal for you. What people say. It has a cleaning spray, soft scrubber wiper, a stand, and a storage case. I use it at least 2 to 4 times a day to clean a variety of devices, such as my iPhone screen, laptop, tablet, PC monitor, and so on. It also acts as a steady and compact iPhone stand. Sprays fine mist good for cleaning almost anything without overwetting moisture-sensitive items. All pieces are washable rinsable, which will keep it reusable longer. Shape and fabric alignment good for both broad and fine erasing wiping. It cleans the phone, tablet, laptop great no streaks. I like the fact that it's a all-in-one item. Spray cloth all-in-one unit. Number 2. Amazon Essentials Men's Oxford Shirt. Introducing the Amazon Essentials Men's Oxford Shirt. A timeless button-down designed for your daily comfort and effortless style. Crafted from soft, breathable Oxford fabric, this shirt feels great against your skin. It's perfect for staying comfortable all day long. Featuring a convenient chest pocket, it adds a touch of classic detail and practicality. Keep small essentials close at hand. Whether dressed up or down, this long-sleeve shirt is incredibly versatile. It's a perfect addition to any casual or smart casual wardrobe. Designed for easy care, this shirt maintains its look and feel wash after wash. Enjoy lasting quality and style with minimal effort. Make it your go-to choice for everyday wear. This reliable shirt offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability. What we like. This shirt is made from breathable fabric for comfort and features a classic fit with a chest pocket. It's designed for everyday wear. If you're looking for a versatile and comfortable casual shirt that can be easily dressed up or down, this Oxford shirt is a solid choice for your wardrobe. What people say. The cotton is heavyweight and I like that. They are just a bit warmer than regular dress shirts. The fit is excellent. Enough room without being blousy. The sleeves are long enough, finally. The fit finish and detail is surprisingly good. They don't really shrink after washing and come out very soft. Shirt is of fairly decent quality, thick cotton. The sleeves are perfect but afraid it may shrink in the dryer. I think the reason people say loose fit is because it is boxy, square. Fine under a suit and we needed it urgently. The material is of quality, very comfortable cotton, casual fit. It runs wide but comfortable, not too baggy. Number 1. RCA Screen Clean Travel Size Cleaner. Introducing the RCA Screen Clean, your compact cleaning companion. This 15 ml bottle is perfectly sized for travel, ensuring your screen stays spotless wherever you go. With its integrated sprayer, cleaning is as simple as spray and wipe. Its ultrafine fiber surface effectively cleans all your essential devices. Keep your cell phones, tablets, and laptop screens looking pristine. It's the all-in-one solution for maintaining clarity on all your electronic displays. This travel-sized cleaner is designed for convenience. Take it with you anywhere to ensure a smudge-free experience. Choose the perfect match for your style. It comes in 2 attractive colors, turquoise and gray. What we like. This cleaner is a convenient travel-size all-in-one spray and wipe with an integrated sprayer and an ultrafine fiber cleaning surface. It's designed to clean all cell phones, tablets, and laptop screens. If you need a compact and portable solution for keeping your essential screens clean while on the go, this is the perfect product for you. What people say. It works really great and having the spray and the cleaning pad in the same device is definitely convenient. It really is the size of a lipstick and super easy to refill. You just push it up from the bottom and twist off the cap and put it all back together again. It clears smudges off really well and seems like it limits how quickly they build up. Works well for my touch screen stereo. No streaks and super easy to use and was just the right size to fit in my side compartment in my car. So far no scratches have been made on my screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.